Hello. It's been a while since I've done a unboxing of anything, so I thought I would do that. So, yes, a Gabe RPG TV unboxing. Oh, great! I just knocked down my box. Oh, good. It didn't fall that far. Awesome. All right. Yay. I am unboxing a pair of Bluetooth speakers. These are a pair of the Bose SoundLink Flex. I got one black and one white so that when I pair them, I can, have one on the left and one on the right, and it'll tell me. Also, I'm gonna need to turn off the speech of this other phone.
Speech off.
So I don't get random notifications speaking as I'm trying to do this unboxing. There we go. Okay. Cut into this knife, or cut with the knife. There we go. Alright. Let's see. Okay, yeah, low battery. There you go. Dude. And of course, this is from Sweetwater, so got the usual Sweetwater kind of stuff. The thank you for ordering from Sweetwater. Of course, the bag of candy. And then, oh my god, we got the two speakers. I wonder... Wow, this is really interesting. They're smaller than what I thought they would be. Okay, this is cool. Alright, so... okay, looks like I just gotta cut one tab. Alright. Gotta love that new speaker smell. Alright, just cut the one tab there. And... unless there's... oh no, there's two tabs. Okay. Yay, fun. Alright. Cool. And this is very much almost like a... opening up an iPhone almost. Ooh, this is so cool. Oh my god. Okay, there's the speaker. Oh, dude, this is cool. Alright. This is either the black or the white. I'm not sure which. Oh, dude, this is nice. Yeah, these kind of remind me, like, they're the width, I would say like the width of my iLoud micros. Definitely not the depth. I was thinking about that, whether they would be the size of my micros. So, and then we got a couple buttons. Oh no, I think that's the... there's supposed to be some buttons somewhere. Ah, there they go. Okay. I'm gonna go with this round button. Maybe this will be the on button. One of these will be. Or maybe it's... maybe I should try plugging it in. That'll probably wake it up if I plug it in. Let me find the power cable. Where are you? Power cable. You're really hiding this power cable. Oh, there it is. I found it. Alright, so let's plug this in real quick. I just want to get one speaker. Once I get the one speaker open or connected, then I can pair them together later on. So let's set that down. Let's quick little thing there. This is... unboxings can be kind of boring at times, so just try and keep it entertaining. Let's see. Okay, so that isn't where you plug it in. You plug it in somewhere. There has to be a little flap or something that keeps the USB. Oh, no, it's just at the bottom. Okay, cool. I'm not sure if I like that. The port not having something that like covers the cover from any water getting inside that port. So Got a USB-C right here. So let's plug it in. All right. Oh, there it goes. Now it's on. Cool. Oh, that's right.
Speech on.
All right, let's connect this thing.
Emergency SOS button. Exposure notification battery button. Privacy button. Privacy.
I went past.
Emergency Face ID. Siri insert. Wallpaper. Accessibility. Home screen. Display and bright. Control center. General. Screen time. Focus. Sounds and app. Notifications. Personal hotspot. Cellular. Bluetooth on. Wi-Fi. AT&T. Airplane mode off. Software update available. Airplane mode off. Wi-Fi. AT&T D4. Bluetooth on button.
There we go. Bluetooth.
Bluetooth on. TOTRO sound search. On other devices. Heading. Unloud micro monitor. Not connected. Other devices. To pair an Apple Watch with your link. In progress. Heading.
All right. Let's hit the. One of these has to be the Bluetooth
Battery
button.
30%.
Ooh, that's.
To connect. To start setup, download the Bose Connect app.
All right. Yeah.
Bose Flex Sound Link button.
There we go.
Bose Flex Sound Link connecting.
There we go.
Connected to
Bluetooth on.
my phone.
Bluetooth heading. Bluetooth on. Now discoverable as Gabe's iPhone. To pair an Apple Watch with your iPhone. In progress. Other devices. Unloud micro monitor. TO sound. Sleep. JD. DOS sound
Should
box.
be at the top.
Bose on your Bose Flex Sound Link connected button.
There we go. Let me just gotta turn voiceover off.
Voiceover off. Voiceover on. Settings. Settings. Back button.
All right. Let's just play some music. See if play YouTube music.
Now playing YouTube music.
She was living in a single room with 3 other individuals. One of them was a male, and the other 2, well, the other 2 were females. God only knows what they were up to in there. And furthermore, Susan, I wouldn't be the least bit surprised to learn that all 4 of them
Oh my God.
smoked marijuana cigarettes. Reefers.
Oh God, this is. Wow, I'm already impressed by this already. Wow. I can't wait till I get both of them connected. So there you have it. We'll come back with a more in-depth kind of video as far as accessibility. That was really easy. Honestly, it showed up. I didn't even have to download the app like a lot of people were saying. So there you have it, the Bose SoundLink Flex. And I will stereo pair these and then talk about that at some point and how that goes. Catch you later.